There are tons of stands on the market that can prop up your phone, but when you're on the go, feeling resourceful, or just want to save money, you can always count on Household Hacker. Today we'll show you a number of ways you can create your own hands-free phone stands, just using items you've got laying around your home or office. If you're sitting at your desk looking to free up your hands, you can prop your phone up with just a drink coaster. Start by placing your phone vertically over one edge of the coaster so it's centered and perpendicular on one side. Now bring your phone slightly closer to one side and angle it like this. Take a pen and trace around the phone to mark its width and angle. Use a pair of scissors to cut out what you traced, and now your makeshift stand is complete. Simply slide the coaster over one end of your phone and let go. If executed correctly, it should fit like a glove. This design is meant for horizontal use only, but if you angle it just right, you can prop your phone up vertically as well. If you can't seem to do anything without your phone, here's a stand you can use while you're brushing your teeth. Pop open the lid to your dental floss and lie the container down on its side so that the lid is facing you. That's it. The groove on the lid will conveniently hold the bottom of your phone in place and allow your hands-free horizontal viewing to take place. The bigger the container, the better, but the smaller ones seem to work just fine. So remember to floss daily and please have your pet spayed or neutered. Whether you're at home, the office, or experiencing the miracle of flight, a coffee cup sleeve will do the trick as well. Get your hands on a beverage sleeve or snag one from anyone with a handlebar mustache. Lay it flat just the way it's designed to fold. Draw a line from the bottom center of the sleeve upward at an angle like this until you're about a ½ inch from the top. Next, curve your line down and over towards the center to form a chin of sorts. Now just pull that section and lay it flat while keeping the long side on the bottom. The actual dimensions will need to be adjusted depending on your device and what angle you prefer, but this sleeve's a perfect accessory to any caffeinated traveler. If all you have laying around is cardboard, that'll certainly do the trick as well. We previously showed you how to prop up your phone with this design, but we've got an even simpler one for you today. Place your phone along the corner of a piece of cardboard and trace out the shape of your phone. Using scissors or a box cutter, cut out your new piece of cardboard and then fold it in half. From the top center of your square, draw a line towards the bottom at roughly a 45-degree angle until you're just below an inch from the bottom. Continue your line back upward to form your lip that will hold your phone in place. Cut out and remove the smaller section. Now unfold your new cardboard stand and you're all set. Depending on your phone, this design should support both horizontal and vertical viewing. Here's a simple yet very sturdy stand made from PVC fittings that'll hold your phone both vertically and horizontally, all while allowing you to charge up. For our design, you'll need 6 elbow connectors that reduce from 3/4 of an inch on one end to ½ an inch on the other side. You'll also need a 3/4 of an inch T connector and an optional 3/4 of an inch cap for added stability. Connect 2 elbows together on one side, then connect 2 elbows together on the other side. Now just connect them all to the T-fitting and add the other 2 elbows together to form your stand. After a little adjusting, including angling your front elbows at roughly a 30-degree angle, you're left with a durable PVC stand that allows horizontal viewing as well as vertical. Among the countless stands capable of holding your phone, perhaps none are as versatile and customizable as those crafted from Lego pieces. You can start with a medium base and stack blocks for a basic design like this one that we previously made. Or you can just go ahead and design any size and shape to adapt to your phone or tablet. This is simple and fun for kids to make as well, so as long as your base is well balanced and built with angled support and solid borders, you should be able to prop your phone up horizontally, vertically, or both. Just place your phone down and let go. There's also a ton of ways to prop your phone up using binder clips, but we're going to show you the easiest method. Get a small binder clip and collapse the arms outward so they're flat like this. Then open a larger binder clip by pinching inwards on both ends. Now just feed the smaller clip's handles into the larger clip's opening and release. You want to angle the smaller clip so it forms a triangle with the flat surface. This will essentially hold the base of your phone in place while the handles of the larger clip will support the top of your phone. This design can really get you out of a bind. If you have even more binder clips, you can get creative for even more support, especially for larger phones. That's basically it. This is a throwback to an oldie but goodie. Dig up a cassette tape case from your parents' or grandparents' legendary collection. If you don't have an empty case, simply remove the cover and cassette tape from the inside. Toss it in your Walkman for safekeeping. Once the case is open flat like this, continue to open it wider until it rests into place. This will form a perfect makeshift stand for your phone. Now this is an extremely convenient phone stand that doesn't require you to make anything. Just go digging in that basement for an old cassette tape case. Next time you spend the balance on a gift card, save it and turn it into a simple phone stand. Gift cards have about the same dimensions as a credit card, and they're perfect for this situation. Measure in about 3/8 of an inch from one end and mark it. What's left is 3 inches, so you'll want to mark the center at 1.5 inches. Repeat on the other side and draw a line across to form your 3 fold markers. Bend the card in half to form a 90-degree angle. You can apply heat to the folds to help bend the plastic easier. Now bend that remaining 3/8 of an inch in the opposite direction to form your lip. This simple design is the perfect way to put those spent gift cards to use. Whether you wear your sunglasses at night like Corey Hart or during bright sunlight, this super simple trick will keep your hands free for your viewing pleasure. All you do is lay the glasses upside down with the top bar facing down and the temple tips facing up. Open the temple pieces slightly to form a crisscross design. Now just carefully rest your phone on them so that the temple tips support the bottom of your phone and the top is gently resting on the eye rims. You'll need to adjust them to get the temple pieces out of the way of the screen. The texture and curve of the temple pieces on most glasses is just right for propping up the phone. So not only is your phone going to be held in place, but it's going to look super stylish while doing it. Now there's countless ways to create your own phone stands, and we'd love to hear what you do. If you enjoyed this, please let us know by hitting that thumbs up button. Even better, subscribe to Household Hacker for new videos every few days. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.